We're still keeping an eye on a wave of energy located in the southern Bahamas that is lifting northwest. And at this point, National Hurricane Center is saying an 80% chance of formation over a 5-day period as that drifts towards Florida. So we're going to watch that very closely. Summer-like heat continues in the southern and southeastern U.S. with severe weather and heavy rain on the outer periphery of that, especially in the upper Midwest. So here's a look at the Atlantic Basin. This wave drifting west has a 50% or at least a moderate chance of formation over a 5-day period, but then this one, an 80% chance of formation over that 5-day period as well. So again, notice how it crosses right over the Bahamas on a track towards Florida. Things are still a little bit uncertain. Some models try to divert that a little bit farther north towards the East Coast again. So going to watch that very closely. In the meantime, still very warm in the southern U.S. 100 in Phoenix today, but 90s from St. Louis down to Houston and from D.C. to Charlotte, even into Miami. So heat advisories for places like St. Louis and Memphis today. It'll feel like the triple digit feels like temps around the coastal communities from New Orleans over to Houston and Brownsville, and from Nashville all the way down to Florida. We have some triple-digit heat index values as well. If you like this late summer or early fall heat, it looks like it will continue as we approach the autumnal equinox here, September 19th to the 25th. Most of the nation should be above average, but winter is not far away. This was a view from Utah earlier this week. Snow in the mountains. That storm system still kind of churning out some snow in the high elevations, but winding down on the eastern side of that. Showers and thunderstorms, some of which, again, have been severe with very heavy rainfall. And again, looking at that severe threat today from Minnesota all the way down to Oklahoma and the panhandle of Texas. Greatest threat, though, is going to be in the upper Midwest, where we have a chance for tornadoes, large hail, and even damaging winds. And we're still going to keep that heavy rain threat in place with a flash flood watch through tonight.